So, been at home nursing a sinus infection or something cold. And just found out, bopping around on Facebook, that the world's largest airplane is fixing to arrive in our airport, which, by all stretch of the imagination, we should have a super teeny tiny airport. You know, we don't get big jets in very often. However, our airport is an old Air Force base, which used to fly out B-52s and things like that. So we have a very large airport, lots of airspace, or landing area. And on 9/11, we had a couple of the jumbo jets rerouted up here because obviously all the other airports were busy and some of the smaller airports don't have enough room for them to land. So we will see. There is people lining up everywhere, and I'm actually on our property. We rent a shop from the county, and I can't even get into my driveway because the snow is so deep and drifted up. And there's people everywhere. So I will definitely be trying to get some video of the plane coming in, which I'm sure I'll be able to do, but should be pretty cool.